Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of achieving no-loss investments. That's right, you heard me correctly. We're going to discuss how you can minimize your risks and maximize your profits. So, how do you achieve no-loss investments? It might sound too good to be true, but with the right strategies, it's possible. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our valuable content. One of the key principles of investing is to diversify your portfolio. This means spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. By doing this, you reduce the risk associated with any single investment. Remember, not putting all your eggs in one basket is a smart move to protect your capital. Now, let's talk about risk management. To achieve no-loss investments, you must assess your risk tolerance. Be honest with yourself about how much risk you can handle. Use tools like stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and consider using a risk-reward ratio to help you make sound investment decisions. The third tip is all about research. Knowledge is power in the world of investments. Take the time to thoroughly research the companies and assets you're investing in. Study financial reports, market trends, and news related to your investments. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Last but not least, maintain a long-term perspective. The stock market can be volatile in the short term, but it tends to grow over the long run. Don't panic when the market experiences fluctuations. Stick to your investment plan and have confidence that your portfolio will likely grow over time. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your fellow investors. And as always, keep learning, stay disciplined, and stay tuned for more insightful content here on our channel.